And then I will do mini tummy.
No. Today you're gonna do Goozooka slime.
I'm gonna open this square.
You wanna open it?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Let's go.
Ooh, you opened it.
Yeah, it's going slow.
This is, hold on, show them what it looks like up close. Here, let mommy show. Can mommy show? Thank you. Okay? So here, open it. Good job. Go ahead, keep opening it.
Come on.
Ooh, what just came out?
That's so cool. That's so neat.
Your gum. I have no idea what this is. I believe these are instructions, huh?
This is the card. Yay! This is the card.
Okay, so it comes with It comes with instructions and it looks like this.
Daddy, look.
I'm pretty sure.
I got the daddy did the stuff. Look. I got the oyster much. But what's that?
Maybe we can stick it in here.
That is it.
Okay, so it says slime lab. It says make cool slimy creation.
I saw Mr. Stein.
Yeah, that's to mix it. Here, we gotta take out this tape too. Wait. Hold on.
Okay.
So we have the Gure gum, and then this is sodium tetraborate liquid.
A sprinkle? Yeah.
No, which is this. And then it comes with also a stir to mix these together to make slime. So it says follow these rules. Number 1, do not eat the slime or any of the ingredients. Number 2, keep away from your eyes. Number 3, wash your hands well after use. Okay? Now the supplies you would need is 1 packet of the Gure gum, 1 bottle of the sodium tetraborate liquid, 1 PC of wooden stick, warm water, which is not included, a measuring cup, not included, 2 paper disposable cups. Okay, well we don't have paper ones, but we have plastic ones.
That's a
So I'm going to go ahead and get the measuring cup with warm water
and water.
and 2 clear plastic cups, okay?
Okay.
Hold on.
I did that in this. Slime, pizza. With slime, and eat it.
No, yeah, you don't need...
Yes.
Okay, I guess she wanted to do another intro, but
Yeah.
it's okay. Oh, here, let mommy throw this stuff out too, huh?
So, yeah.
Okay, hold on.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell.
Okay, so it said that we had needed 2 cups.
2 cups?
What the? No, relax. Hold on, because there's hot water on the table. Well, not hot water, warm water. Okay.
JoJo, mommy.
Yeah, okay. Okay, that's JoJo cup and mommy cup. So we had to measure out 40 milliliters of warm water between 50 to 60 Celsius. And we have to pour it into a cup. So I have measured it out, and it even asks for ask a parent to help. So I'm going to go ahead and pour 40 milliliters of water into here.
And JoJo.
Okay, and now you have to slowly stir. I don't know where that cup comes in, but it's okay. Now you have to slowly stir. No. I don't know what this is, and you cannot. You can mix it though.
Mix it?
Mix it. Not Mexico.
Mix it aside.
Mix it.
Aside. Aside, mommy.
Oh, well then it's the whole thing of this.
That's enough. That's others.
Because it says 0.3 grams and that's exactly what's in this pouch. Because it does say it at the end. I think I need to rip it a little bit more down. There we go. Well, that wasn't supposed to go in there. Okay. Well, mommy's gonna go ahead and well, something's going. Wait.
Oh, mixed it.
I know, hold on, I gotta take this plastic out though. It's actually having like an effect already. I don't know if you guys could kind of tell. Like it's very cloudy and it's starting to become thick in there. So, here, you gotta mix like this, okay? No, not yet, baby. Not yet. Here, wait. I'll let you do it, but it's too tight. Okay, so it's actually like pretty thick texture. Okay? So now, once the powder is mixed, okay, go ahead, squeeze it. Squeeze it. Good job.
Listen, more. Spit. And mix it.
Oh, wait, because you gotta pour everything. Hold on.
Pour everything?
Yeah. So we're just gonna make it easier. Hold on, JoJo. Because I don't know what this... Oh, that's why... Wait. That's why it wasn't coming out. Look. There's something covering the hole. Yeah. So we gotta go ahead and pop it out. Okay, now we could definitely... Oh, there it is. That's all of it.
Oh, mix it.
Mix it.
Ooh, it's hard.
That's it? Yeah. Well, excuse me. So as you can see inside...
some glass.
Yeah, hold on. As you can see, it is slimy. Yeah. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and mix it.
Mix it more.
Mix it more. You in the video.
Yeah.
For you.
Yeah, mix it for me.
You want me to mix it for you? Okay. Oh, look at that.
Look at slime.
Yeah, look at making the slime now. It's not as liquidy as it was. Like this. I'm trying to mix it to make it more slimy. I know. liked it?
Yeah. Slime.
So maybe tomorrow we'll actually probably make homemade slime. She seems really interested in it, so tomorrow we're definitely gonna make some slime at home. Maybe it'll be better. She even had gotten containers for it. Yeah. So the slime actually went to nothing.
Slime.
It's like very liquidy now after I had like poured it out of the cup. So
That's good.
just having fun with it, that's all.
That's slime.
Yeah, we're gonna make better slime tomorrow. How about that?
Slime.
You had fun doing the slime lab?
Yeah.
Woo! Okay. This is the Goozooka. It's not really what we were expecting, but hey.
What is slime?
It's not slime anymore. It's just a whole bunch of watery slime.
Slime.
Yeah.
Put the water slime.
You want me to put it back in the cup?
Yeah. My hand.
Dirty, right?
Yeah.
We're definitely gonna go ahead and wash our hands. Ready? Hold up the video.
Hi.
You have fun making slime?
Yeah.
Now it's just going everywhere. Alright, tell them see you soon. Say bye.
Bye.
Give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe.
Making slime.
Subscribe, not eat slime.
Subscribe.
Yeah, good job.